welcome back to the channel. Super quick video today. Sitting in the car right now. I ordered a if you can turn this thing back around here. I found a harness for my radar detector. I know these have probably been out forever, but I just found this a couple days ago. So basically, you know, I have a this thing's probably about 6 years old, but still works phenomenal. Escort Passport Max. This thing saves my ass constantly. So what I had is I had it mounted up here, and I had this big, bulky wire that comes with it. You know, comes with every radar. So I had to run all the way from up here. I hope if I plugged it in the right way. All the way down to the 12 volt right here. You know, so I got this ugly ass wire always in the way. You know, I used to wrap it around the phone mount like that, but still, it's just awful looking, always in the way. So this harness, it's from gen5diy. It's pretty sweet. So basically what it's gonna do, you have to unhook this overhead light, this panel right here. I just did that real quick because nobody cares about you unhooking that. You know, you got your two lights, your reading light, airbag, and garage door opener harnesses that you unplug. You know, so those are all right there. Just get a wide flat screwdriver or plastic pry bar, and it pops right out of there. Pretty simple. So this harness is very, very simple. Literally, I'm gonna take this black plug. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with my phone because I don't have my GoPro on me. Let me put this down. Plug it in. I should go right in. There we go. All right, snap that in like that. Plugs in like that. All right, so you guys can see, so there's the harness. That part plugs in. Doing something. So that plugs in right there, plugs back in right there, and then this is just gonna route right through here to plug into the radar right there. So let me plug everything back in real quick, and then I'll show you how it looks. Let's see here. This one should go like that. Last but not least, this fucking thing. All right, so there's that, there's that. Let's hook this up in here. There we go. All right, so there it is installed. All you have is just this little piece sneaking out through here, just like that. And I could probably push this little bit of slack back up in there a little bit more if I wanted to. Probably just stick it right here. You probably won't even see it, honestly. But you know, it gives you a little bit of room. Oh, how much cleaner is that? One little wire. That's it. Well, you know what? Let's start it. Let's make sure it works. All right. Isn't that sweet? Look at that. Good to go. Clean. So yeah, you know, super simple. I think it was $80 shipped from gen5diy. Nice clean install, super easy. One of those awesome things that, you know, we all appreciate. So just want to do a quick video on that, little update on stuff, and that's it for today, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out some of the new videos. We're gonna get some more stuff up here soon. I got a bunch of stuff to go on the car. I just been slacking and not getting it done, but I got a little bit of free time here coming up, so I think we're gonna get some of these performance parts installed. I got to get it tuned, all that stuff. So goal with this car, I just loved it for it to be, you know, about 700 wheel horsepower, absolutely plenty. Still be an awesome street car to drive around, you know, 6-speed. So yep, well, that's it for today, guys, and we'll have some more updates, some more videos here coming soon. All right, y'all take care.